Let's say you do a lot of computer builds or plenty of DIY projects and want to save some time. Well, this kit from HOTO is really amazing. Plus I have really good experience with their mini 24-in-1 4mm screwdriver, so they kindly sent me this electric kit over to review. Packaging and branding is nice and minimal. To open up the box, just slide the lid upwards, although I think my sample broke some of its notches in transport. It still works thanks to the magnets, as you can see how I store it on its side, but I would remove those plastic notches altogether in a future iteration and just put beefier magnets, for example. Right, so this is their Pro kit, which means it comes with 24 standard 1/4-inch bits, plus a longer Phillips number 2 and a small magnetic extension as well. The other variant has a sexy circular case with less bits. I will link both of them in the description as well. As for the cordless screwdriver, this is quite a chunky unit. It feels really good in the hand thanks to this rubberized anti-slip material. It's powered by a 1500 mAh battery, which drives a 3-stage torque motor. It takes any 1/4-inch bit and it incorporates a magnet as well. What about the hard to reach areas due to its clunky size? Well, just put an extra long bit. Done. Another cool feature is the LED, which automatically turns on when you operate the screwdriver and closes itself after 10 seconds of non-use. It has both clockwise and counterclockwise, of course, so it's dead easy to operate, and to select the torque setting, just rotate the top. 3 is for the highest torque mode up to 4 Nm, which doesn't sound much, but trust me, it's quite powerful. It accepts charging via the USB Type-C, and once done the LED will stop flashing. So here it is in action. This is a mountain bike handlebar stem which uses 5mm hex bolts. It's very smooth and fast. Now let's say you want to build some furniture. No problem whatsoever, and again this is in the lowest torque setting. So there you have it, not much more to say than it's quite a straightforward and home run product from HOTO. So if you want an electric cordless screwdriver, I think this is it.